Hi, Kimi. So talk about absolute and local. Okay, so absolute is like the truest maximum or truest minimum. So an example, okay, would be if I had like this. Okay, I'm sketching this, so it's not the best, but we're just focusing on the max and mins, right? Okay, so I have a minimum right here. Let's just call it point A. And I have a minimum here at point B, okay? They're both minimums because they're both turning points, right? Both turning points. Well, which one is the true minimum? Like, which one's actually the lowest? Oh, B is. So this would be the absolute, okay? That would be the absolute. They're both minimums, okay? So if I said minimums, you'd say A and B, okay? But B is going to be the absolute because it actually is the lowest between the two of them, which means that A would be the local, okay? A would be the local. And same thing for maximum. So let me just sketch another graph. Okay. Here I have a maximum. Here I have a maximum because they're both turning points that face down. But A is higher, so it's like the true maximum. So this would be my absolute. And B would be my local. Hopefully that helps. Thanks for reaching out.